Hi there, this is a video about our trip to the Monsal Trail. Tom had told me we were going out for the day. I didn't know where we were going, so it was a nice surprise. This is showing you the A roads near it. So he hired me a bike. These are all the bikes that have been returned. He took his in the car. I looked like a sweaty Betty before we even start because it was a heat wave. Anyway, we set off. Some beautiful scenery. And although it was a scorching day, it was just nice to cycle and get the breeze in your face. Lovely dappled shade, really nice. We had a bit of a stop here for some nibbles and enjoyed that beautiful view. And then we came to the first tunnel. First tunnel there. It's an amazing feat of engineering cutting through all this rock. And this was the first tunnel. Fabulous and cool. Came out of this tunnel and you come to the fabulous viaduct. You can see the cyclists going past. I did try and avoid getting lots of cyclists on the shots, but it was quite busy for a Tuesday. This is a view from the top, the beautiful river. So of course I had to scramble down the bottom and get some shots from there. That's Tom on the top there, giving us a wave. So this is taking the drone up. Lovely, absolutely gorgeous. Really nice. So I don't know what to say here, just enjoy the view. So it's just panning round. And I will say that at this time I was so busy looking at the controller that I hadn't noticed a load of cows were extremely close to me. So when I looked up, I was a bit taken aback. You can see me stepping back there. And I had to leave my the case for my drone in the middle of them. You can see that one's looking at me there. I wasn't too sure at all. But really, they just wanted a drink of water, understandably, because it was absolutely scorching. Lovely. So another quick look at the viaduct from above. Just bringing her down there. I did want to try and go through the arches, but I didn't get a chance really. So this is just coming back round again. That lovely river which you can paddle in. So I scrambled back up the embankment, which was quite arduous. And then we got back on the bikes. So I think this will have been a station here on the left. Back to some lovely cycling. You come to some old mills in the distance with loads of information about them, built by Richard Arkwright. Second tunnel here. It was a nice relief to get in the tunnels because they were really, really cold. And you were in them for a good few minutes. And then you come out again to a lovely open vista, is that what you call it? And then down there, I'm not sure if this is where we turned round and started heading back, and it was all downhill, so that was fabulous, yeah, because we've come back to the viaduct there. So this is through Headstone Tunnel. This is probably the station that I could see coming, and then some people are powering away back through these bridges and then getting back to the base where we hired the bikes and the cafe there. Some information about the station. I had a banoffee pie which didn't have any bananas in, so I wasn't really very impressed with that. And I did tell Tom that next time he's got to get me a tandem, haha. So this is where the place was. We then decided to drive further into the Hope Valley, and I saw this fabulous hill, so I thought, right, I'll take my drone up over this hill. Wasn't sure what this hill was called at first, but I'll tell you later what it's called. So hardly any wind today, yesterday, which was good. So I'm coming up over the top. I love that view there, the way it opens up over into the valley. I think this is the start of the Monsal Ridge. So I banked it round there. You can see all these people enjoying the view. And you can see Winnats Pass, that big crevice there in the landscape. Then I decided to bring the drone home. We're parked somewhere on that road where you can see the cars coming down. And then we thought we'd drive through Winnats Pass. These are taken through the car window, so they're not brilliant shots, but they show the dramatic light on the tops of the, what do you call it, the rocks. So yeah, this is speeded up. And then when we got to the car park, I took the drone up again just to see what I could get, but it was very, very, very dramatic and dark. So that was quite a nice shot, people taking photographs, silhouetted. And then we made our way back. We saw this great moho on our return. If you'd like to subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Bye.